Hey everyone, welcome back and thanks for watching. So, some of you may have seen Cruz, who is Crafting Con Cruz, doing some of her wishes she was packaging up to send out, and I was one of those. So I got the box, and I want to open it here with you. If you've seen it and you don't want to watch, that's fine too. But this is my first time seeing it in person. Yeah, so, she has... Look at all these. Wrapped up. All kinds of things. Let me pull those big ones out first. So, wow. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. So, I'm probably going to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goodness. Okay, so I will probably pause each time I unwrap so that it's not so much recording time of all the paper rattling. So yeah, I guess let's jump right in. Alright, so the first one, I'm gonna open this one. Okay, so that one is open. Now let's flip it over and see what is in here. Of course I did see her video, so I kind of have an idea, but it's always different when you get it in person. So, some Valentine's goodies. So she sent me some doilies in different sizes and different colors. And I'm excited about that because I think I have like literally like 2 heart doilies. That's it. So there's a variety of all different sizes and colors. Love it. And that's also very helpful because I don't have much of a Valentine's stash. Like really not much at all. Okay, and ooh, look at these cuddle parts. So cute. Something special for someone special. A true gentleman. Adorable. And I love fussy cutting, so these are going to be awesome to cut out. And in this little bag, ooh, I gotta see what's in here, what all is in here. Just pull it all out, Kayla, let's go. Why not? Oh, I love the stripes. Oh, and these are foam, and not only can I use that, I can use the hearts that are inside there as well. Pop them out. Aww, cute. Super cute. Oh, I have a couple of these. Just a couple. Oh, it's like a little bear. Ooh, these are so pretty. Clear and red. Love that. Oh, these are like matted. Looks like maybe she cut it off of a necklace. Really good idea. I did that at Halloween with some bones. Be mine. Some glitter hearts. Some little critters. Foam hearts. Oh, there's a llama. Catacorn. And a unicorn tail. Ah. And, ooh. Holographic and metallic. Love it. Glitter. Thank you so much, Cruz. Y'all don't have much Valentine's to work with at all. I don't have any full collection. I have like, what's right here? Maybe 5 or 6 sheets of paper. And some stickers. So anyway, that was in this first bag. Ah! First, sorry, not bag. First, what do you call it? I don't know. First gift wrap. So, okay, and the next one. They're not like numbered or anything, so I'm just taking them off the top and going with it. So this is the next one. Let me open it right quick. Okay, there we go. And let's flip this over. Uh-oh. Look! I hadn't seen this in my Tuesday morning, but when I saw her wrapping it, I was like, what? So that's like basically a kit right there. That's like the kit with stickers and cut aparts and coordinating papers. And see, and I really like the Echo Park ones because their chipboard are exactly like the stickers. Well, except for the letters, but see here. So I really like that. Very fun. This is going to be super fun to play with. Thank you so much, Cruz. You little lady. You. This was wishes from a little while back. I know. But she added way more. Way more than she should have, I believe. Alright, so the next one. Let me get this one open. Okay, here we are. I'm going to try to grab this all at once and flip it over so that we kind of all see it together. Ah, the Halloween stuff. Awesome sauce. See, my Dollar Tree never got these. Spiders, webs, and pumpkins. And as most of you know, Cruz has amazing Dollar Trees. And then here's a cute little bag. Let's see. Those look like thickers maybe from, what was that vintage collection I was obsessed with. And some cut aparts and some little, love that. So fun. Gotta get my Halloween stuff back out and open it, put this in there. Oh, in this collection, I'm not sure if I ever found any of it. Oh, those are embossed and like glittery. So cute. Candies. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. I thought my volume was down. Anyway. So there's some cute little papers. Was it like, no, it's not from Hey Pumpkin. Oh, I can't remember. But they're super cute. And I'm so excited to have them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Cruz. Got a couple 12 by 12s in Halloweeny colors. Awesome. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, there's this little bag of stuff. Oh, those beads. Oh, those big beads she hauled before. And I was like, I need those. I'm not sure what those are there. But there's like some foam stickers. And then I believe these are the Walmart, what they call confetti. Like the table scatter confetti. So there's a bunch of those in there. Awesome. Okay, that was 3 of 5. And our 4th one is here. So let me get this bad boy opened up. And here we are. Let's grab this, flip it all over. Oh, the Maggie Holmes. Oh, the bloom. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm really excited because I'm pretty positive that all I have of bloom is the small 6x6. Like, that's it. So, and I was iffy about the little cut aparts in there because I was like, oh, if I use these, that's all I've got. And I won't have any more. So, I'm not sure if these were 6x6 or if they were 12s and she cut them down. Nope, that pattern's smaller. It has to be, yep, a 6x6. Awesome. Oh, I can never get enough of Maggie Holmes. Like, seriously, I'm not even joking. Well, a lot of you, you know what I mean. I don't even have to tell you guys, you know. Some cut aparts. Love those little tickets and like the spring season garden pass. And that. She had cut aparts. And she has shared a 12 by 12 with me and others. I'm sure you've all seen this because we all love Maggie. Who doesn't love Maggie Holmes? Like, I mean, really, is there anyone out there? I'm seriously asking. Do you know anyone who does not like Maggie Holmes? The bows. Oh, the swans. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you, Cruz, so very much. You really did not have to do this much. I super, super appreciate everything. I really do. Okay, and our last one that's wrapped like this. So, let me get our last one open. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that bag. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and look at that little washi tape she used right there too. The little polka dots. I love washi tape. Really. Super duper love washi tape. I can't get enough of it. I really need to stop buying it and use it, but, you know. Oh, I think these are doilies. Oh my goodness. Look at this gold, you guys. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh. I've never had any gold doilies like these. I don't know where y'all get them. I one time found a pack of the Maggie Holmes doilies. Ooh, look at that one too. That would go with all heart. Gorgeous. But really all I can find are the original white doilies. I don't know where to find the color ones. And anytime I've ordered them on AliExpress, the picture shows me one color, and when I get them, they're not that color. So I've got to find somewhere in person to find colored doilies like this. These are beautiful. Thank you, Cruz. Let's see. And here are some... What might this be? It's like waxy on the back, but almost like vellum on the front. And there's a few. Is it maybe like, supposed to be like that origami paper? Please let me know, Cruz. There's a few designs there. And then she has cut me some cardstock. Oh, look at these teals and pinks. She knows me. Love it. Love it. Look at these different colors, too. Gorgeous. And I needed some of those colors. I really, really did. Oh. And then here are some bigger pieces. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is stick stuff. Okay. Very colorful. Pretty. And it looks like it, oh, that coordinates. Wow. I have an idea for something for my daughter for this. That's very, very pretty. Heavyweight cardstock. I think I'm going to say thank you a million times. Okay, and she stuffed some other things in the box around those packages, so I'm going to pull that out. Oh. Okay, that's... Oh, I dropped some hearts. So, that's a gorgeous bag. Where do y'all get these bags? Oh my goodness. I'm going to save that one for sure. Oh, I know it. I know exactly what this is. Oh, yep. This is Chasing Dreams Project Life Cards. Yes. I don't think I have anything really. I don't have any Chasing Dreams either. I think I might have one sheet of stickers and the paper pad. That's it. And then these cards that I've been gifted. Look at those colors. So beautiful. So, so beautiful. I'm sure you've all seen these. I know these, at one point, people were finding them at, was it Joann's or Michael's, marked down. And then some people were able to find them in Tuesday morning, and of course did not. So, yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I won't flip through every single one. I'm sure you guys have seen these. So, and then, oh, I remember her showing this. She found a sticker roll. Yeah, they were from Target. And I think it's got all these little cutesy characters. I don't want to pull it out and not be able to get it back in. Nice to snow ya. Ha! Okay, is that it? Let it snow. Warm wishes. Nice to snow ya. And snuggle weather. Yeah, that's what they say. So those are going to be fun. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Cruz. Oh, she stuck in this super cute notepad. Faith in God includes faith in His timing. That is beautiful. And I needed another notepad to go on the side of my desk, so perfect timing. And then, what do we have here? Oh, the finger, the finger. Ah. Okay, so the good stuff that a lot of you have been getting from Dollar Tree, the new Crafters Square stuff. My store didn't get that either. But Cruz got some and included one of those little hot glue finger things for me. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm really excited about this little rubber hot pink piece. I really am. And so, yeah, she included a pack of this. Like I said, I didn't have them in my stores, so I've not seen it in person, and I thought it was just 3 rolls. But they're actually 3 different sizes. I didn't realize that. Where does it say? Oh, right here. 0.25, 0.37, and ½ inch. So that's pretty awesome that they came in 3 different sizes like that. Love it. Maybe my store will get that stuff someday, because I really want to get like the little scissors and the little embossing tools and what is like the stylus thing, and that was, I don't know, just cute little stuff. Okay, so she did mention that she bought these thinking they were something else. So they're like little full foil spiral pieces. It's not gonna focus. Not gonna focus. I'm sure most of you have seen these, and you may know what they are. I probably will try them for shaker pieces. I'll do something. My son caught a pic of these, and of course, he was like, I want that, give me that. I can use that in crafts. Yeah, he is my child. He loves to make things. He has his own little cabinet area in the living room with craft stuff in it. And then, so that was in this cute little pouch. This is magical. And she included one of the silicone brushes that everyone was hauling from Dollar Tree, using 2 hot glue things similar to the finger tool. So I'm super excited, and it's purple, my favorite color. Either she looked up or she paid attention. So yeah, awesome. And then our last couple of things. There's this cute little December 25th red rubber stamp from Dollar Spot at Target. And I have some ideas for this. It's really going to be cute. And the last thing are some Project Life cards. I am not quite sure what collection it is or anything. Are these Maggie Holmes? Are these Maggie Holmes? I think they are. Oh my goodness. OMG. Alright, yeah, somebody tell me. Yes. They're Maggie Holmes, aren't they? Yep. Her heart was an open book. Sure is. Oh my goodness. I've never seen these. Never thought I would see these. Holy wowzer. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Cruz. I would give you a big, 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 big hug if I could. I don't have this. I have the paper pad to this. And that is it. So this is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm tickled pink. So, that was a pretty good box of wishes. And thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye.